guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing something quite common, such as doing some abstract art. Okay guys, so you will need some paper, it does not matter the size, some oil pastels, at least you should have 6 colors I think, and a pencil. So you should start by using a pencil to outline the shapes, like draw the shapes. So I think of a square with a gap. That's not a gap. Okay, it goes. And then you will need a blue. Okay, when you're done with that, go ahead and make sure that it is perfectly done. And then, get a pencil and again, draw a shape of your choice. I will go with a square. No. Okay, square. It is. This isn't the best square you have seen. Trace over with a black oil pastel, just like before. Trace it nicely and do the same steps. I went with green first. What would suit green is a darker shade of green. Be very careful while spreading it because you don't want to take away the part where it makes it look 3D. and be careful to not get your whole paper super pastel dirty. Another shape done. Same things again and again and again. Okay guys, so I only could add 2 more shapes, as you can see, this one and this one. I sort of stuck to the theme. I added a dark blue and then I did a navy, but I don't see the difference between these two. For this I added this color, and for that I think I've lost the thing on the gigantic circle. Maybe I can add something here. And now the final step is to go ahead and pick a color you have not used at all, and I have used all the colors, so I don't know which color. It's going to be yellow. Great. It's kind of messy, I guess. Go ahead, color it, and start spreading. So guys, that was quite a long task. So let me just show you. We've got an unknown shape here, a rectangle upside down, a square like without the rest of its lines, same as this but different color, a square but it's in the middle with its lines, circle, small, and a like rectangle if you look like that, and I don't know. So you got another upside down rectangle, same spot as the other. You got like a better version of this in a different color, I'd say, and a gigantic, humongous circle. So I added a yellow background because I didn't have any other like colors that I didn't use, and there was one more color, but the reason I chose yellow is because it's pretty light and it looks nice, don't you think? So this is my piece of art. Remember to, for artists, remember to like, subscribe, and stay safe. So that was it for today's video.